Number one, a botanist is conducting an experiment which studies the growth of plants. The height of the plants are measured on 7 different days. The following table shows the number of days, D, that the experiment has been running and the average height, 8 centimeters, of the plants on each of those days. There are 7 days, so n equals 7. And these are the data. The regression line of h on D for this data can be written in the form h equal AD plus B. Find the value of A and the value of B. The first step, I would like to create the graph, or sorry, the table, table H D. So this is H, okay, R 10, 16, 30, and so on. D R 2, 5, 13, and so on. H R 10, 16, 30, 59, 76, 79, 82. D R 2, 5, 13, 24, 33, 37, 42. And if you calculate, this is if you add or if you add off uh, if you add all this data are 352 and this one 156. After that, d squared. The squared are 4, 25, 169, 576, 1089, 1369, 1764, and the result is 4996. D times H, 20, 80, 390, 1416, 2508, 2923, 3444. It is, if you calculate 10,781. H squared, 100, 256, 900, 3,481, 5,776, 6,241, 6,724, and it is 23,478. So we are going to find A with formula n times sigma dH minus sigma d times sigma h n times sigma d squared minus sigma d squared. 7 times 10,781 minus 352, 156, 7 times 4,996, 156 squared. And if you calculate, the result is 1.932587 on round off 1.93. After that, B. B equal sigma H minus A times sigma D over N. 7 times, 352, not 7. I mean 352, 1.93. Sigma D is 156 over 7. And if you calculate, the result is 7.2166, round off 7.22. So this is A and this one B. So the regression equation is H equal AD plus B, or H equal 1.93 D plus 7.22. This is the regression equation. Next question, write down the value of the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient R. The formula is N times sigma DH minus sigma D multiply sigma H. Divided by N times sigma D squared minus sigma D squared. N times sigma H squared minus sigma H squared. Substitute the number 7 times 10,781 minus 156 times 352 divided square root 7 times 4,996 minus 156 squared times 7 times 23 478 minus 352 squared. And the result, if you calculate, is 0.991087 on, or 0.991. This is the coefficient correlation. Use your regression line to estimate the average height of the plants. And the experiment has been running for 20 days. The regression equation is H equal 1.93D plus 7.22. So when D equal 20, H equal 1.93 times 20 plus 7.22. And if you calculate, the result is 45.86 on or 45.9 centimeters, the unit.